Hello, my name is McRamsey, and here we are, playing White Noise. I haven't played it in a very long time, so I thought I might as well play it a little bit. Okay, so, I have not posted any game videos in a very long time, and it's been rough on you guys, but we shall get there. It's cool about that. Wow. Wait, what's that? It's just events. Ah, yes. Round one. I'm so screwed. Use the bear skin. Oh, jeez. Freaking. Jeez. There it is. There it is. Don't even look at him. No. Tempting. He's a douche. We don't like douche. We like douches. They're mean, cruel, violent. And this game is scary. Okay. Where is he? I kinda wanna know. Is he behind me? Oh my god. He's just right there. Oh, he's right there too. Okay. I like this game. Okay. Because he's a jerk face. Everybody likes jerk faces. Okay. There. He's there, isn't he? He's there. Okay. He's not right there. We're good. Yeah, behind me. Yes, he's behind me. Go. Go. It makes no sense. Okay. I'm scared. This game is terrifying. Oh, dude, he's behind me. He's not behind me. There's something over there. I'm afraid to go look there. This is like a scary movie, except for you're actually playing, and you get to make the choices. Okay, cool. Just don't look at me. Yes, he's right there. Don't even need to look at him. He's right there. No, don't want to make him mad. Making him mad would be nothing to do. Where is the other thing? Did I miss it? I think I missed it. Maybe it's back here. No, yeah, he's right there. He's right there. Right there. Okay. What a jerk. Okay. I'm dead. If you haven't noticed. That was, kind of disappointing. Okay, I'll see you next time. McRamsey.